go now. Hi guys, I got a fidget spinner. So it's metal. It's in a plastic cover to make sure it's safe. This thing is for them to keep it safe and like you shouldn't look. So yeah, let's try it out. So this fidget spinner has a gold topping in silver. The bearings are silver. It looks like they're glued on. So I'm gonna try this. This goes so wrong. Okay, I got this for $10 on the market. You can buy this from anywhere. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna do some tricks. Oops. So it's a good fidget spinner. You can get it anywhere. So yeah. So until my next video, see ya.